Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Changnyak. Let's take the next 5 minutes to really unpack why Bol Mel was promoted so fast and what it could mean for the future of South Sudan. Bol Mel is not your typical frontline politician. He is a businessman turned power broker, known for operating behind the scene for years. He has run major companies, handled multi-million-dollar contracts, and overseen large infrastructure projects like road construction, energy, and telecommunications. He was also a key figure in Sudatel operation in South Sudan and once had strong ties with Nalpet, the national oil company. This role gave him not just money, but control over South Sudan's most vital sectors. Now here is where it gets political. His success in business didn't make him a threat to President Kiir. Instead, it made him a dependable ally. He stayed loyal during South Sudan's toughest time, especially when others defected or challenged the president. In Kiir's world, loyalty outweighed popularity or competence. Bol Mel earned his place not by public speeches, but by staying close, staying quiet, and delivering when needed. Over the years, many figures in the SPLM become too independent, like Dr. Riek Machar, Pagana Mum, or Majak Agot. Kiir has shown he doesn't tolerate rising stars who develop their own power base. Bol Mel, he doesn't command street mob, he doesn't speak out of turn. That make him reliable, and reliability is Kiir's favorite quality in a successor. Now let's zoom out a bit. South Sudan politics is heavily shaped by ethnic identity and sub-clan division, especially within the Dinka. President Kiir is a Dinka from Warab. Bol Mel is also a Dinka from another sub-group. So why does this matter? Because appointing Bol Mel allows Kiir to calm rival Dinka factions. It is a way to say, I am not giving everything to my clan. It helps Kiir look more balanced without actually giving power to the opposition or non-Dinka group. That say, many Equatorian, Nuer, and others may see this as more of the same power recycling within a single ethnic elite. This is the biggest question. Is Kiir grooming Bol Mel to take over? There is a mounting evidence suggesting yes. In a short span of time, Bol Mel has moved from private sector influence into serious government authority, both within the SPLM party structure and state institutions. Observers believe Kiir is testing Bol Mel's ability to handle public responsibility while ensuring his will protect. Kiir post-retirement legacy, wealthy and loyalist. In simpler terms, Bol Mel isn't likely to challenge the system, he is likely to protect it. If Bol Mel is being groomed for leadership, here is what could happen. Internal SPLM conflict. Marginalized figure in the SPLM may resist. This could lead to new breakaway faction or quiet sabotage within the party. Non-Dinka group may feel even more excluded. This could undermine effort toward national unity and reconciliation. If Kiir is seen as orchestrating a personal handover instead of democratic transition, it could lead to reduced trust from the international community, especially IGAD and the African Union and the West. Bol Mel could either become a caretaker of Kiir's legacy, or if he surprised everyone, he could use his position to introduce reform, stabilize the economy, and reach across ethnic lines. But let's be honest, history suggests he is more likely to preserve the system, not reform it. This is my final reflections. So in the end, Bol Mel rise is not just a promotion, it is a signal that Kiir is preparing for the next chapter, possibly retirement, and wants someone he trusts to carry the torch without burning the house down. The question isn't just who will lead next. The question is, will South Sudan ever be led by someone chosen by the people or only by the president? Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes on this story. It is unfolding faster than many expected.